Hey guys, Chris at Tillman Family Farms. I had to take a minute and let you guys in on Starkline's spring savings event. So if you're in the market for any poultry netting, sheep and goat netting, horse netting, or any other electric fence needings, from solar chargers to any of the accessories that you might need to get your stuff up and going, go check out starkline.com. They're offering 20% off of all of their major products right now. And at checkout, if you'll use code TILLMANFAMILY, you can get an additional 10% off of your order. That's 30%. Look how happy those birds are. Get out there and get after it.